The ultimate Roblox prizes come Robux tutorial from 0 to Pro in 1 minute. If you're looking to get free Robux, most people get this wrong by relying on scams or untrustworthy sites. The surprising truth about Roblox prizes.com is that it's a platform offering legal ways to earn Robux through completing surveys, tasks, or giveaways, making it safe if used correctly. First, create an account. You won't believe how simple it is. Sign up with your Roblox username and verify your email to start earning points towards Robux rewards. Next, complete tasks. Most people get this wrong by skipping the instructions. Roblox prizes.com offers tasks like watching videos, answering quizzes, or participating in small promotions. Completing these correctly ensures you accumulate points efficiently. Check daily rewards and bonuses. The surprising truth is that consistent activity often unlocks extra Robux bonuses or special offers. Logging in daily can significantly increase your rewards. Finally, redeem Robux. You won't believe how fast it can be delivered to your account after accumulating enough points. Always double-check that you follow site guidelines to avoid any errors or account issues. In conclusion, Roblox prizes.com can take you from 0 to Pro in earning free Robux safely. By creating an account, completing tasks, tracking daily bonuses and redeeming points correctly, you maximize your rewards without risking your account. Patience and consistency are key.